Alright guys, I just got my shipment of baby dubia roaches and I thought I'd just make a quick unboxing video. Alright, I'm home from school today, I'm not feeling good at all, but I'll make a video real quick. Alright. Oh crap. Alright, sorry. I don't have a stand, and I'll just do this real quick. Okay. Alright, that's good. They're in boxes. Wow, those are really freaking small. Holy crap. Paper. Cold pack. And then some information. I'm not going to show you. Okay. Here's a cage I just made. A little box form. Holes in it. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry. Sorry guys. I don't have a tripod stand. Okay. Some of them died. Okay. There they are. Oh my gosh. A whole bunch of them died. Wow. Well, this is an unboxing video from West Coast Roaches. So hopefully, looks like they're freaking, they just got their heads cut off and crap. Dang. Okay. Well, alright. Well, that's that, and here's my bearded dragon, Seraphia. She's been grumpy real lately, and she never eats her salad. So, that's that. If you have any comments, just like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks.